Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi everyone, we're going to solve Cottonell's Physics, Chapter 24, Problem 2. So what we want to find is the time it takes for electromagnetic radiation to reach the Earth from various distances. Now we know that electromagnetic waves travel at the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. And we know that the first distance that we want to send signals from is 3.85 times 10 to the 8 meters away, which is the distance from the moon to the Earth. So we know that the speed of light is a speed, which means that it is equivalent to the distance traveled by the radiation over the time it takes for the radiation to travel said distance. And so since we want to find the time, we rearrange this for t. And so this gives us that t is equal to d over c. And all we have to do for this problem is plug in d1 and d2. And the answers are t1 is equal to 1.28 seconds, I believe. 1.28 seconds. And t2 is equal to 187 seconds.